Good morning. I present to you ZA220 out of Africa, 25, Blue Bar hen. We have imported all the speed cattle families in the world, all the speed families in the world, and we're trying to build a new speed family. What we've done here, the father is bred from two proven breeders for stock. The grandfather 5099 already showed very big potential. It's a good grys cock 5099. He bred us 8 hotspot, 3 at supper. The grandmother, both her children were very good performers for us in supper summer race. The grandmother is a full brother sister to Cristiano and his sister. Cristiano bred the best bird in the world 2023 speed. The mother is one of our proven breeders. She's a Sagan hen. Her first son bred a union winner for Isak Marais. It's a nice, compact, medium size hen. Very well balanced. Soft feathers. She's got a lovely wing. I really like her wing. She's got vitality. Very well balanced little hen. Wriggler, doesn't want me to hold her. Young hen, lots of potential. Thank you.